A quick stop in Los Angeles.
Good afternoon. Can I help you?
Good afternoon. Yes, I have a small problem.
Oh, what is it?
I've been walking all day and my phone is dead.
Ah, I see. You need to charge it.
Yes, but I also need a souvenir for my brother.
We have a power outlet right there near the table.
Oh, thank you. That's so nice.
No problem. You can sit and charge your phone.
Oh, thank you. That's so nice.
Of course. Are you looking for anything special?
My brother loves Los Angeles. Maybe a keychain.
We have some great keychains. Look here.
Oh, this one with the Hollywood sign is perfect.
That one's very popular.
How much is it?
It's $5.
Great, I'll take it, and I need a postcard, please.
The postcards are right here.
I'll take this one of the Santa Monica Pier.
Okay, a keychain and a postcard. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you for letting me charge my phone.
It's no big deal. We are happy to help.
Here's $10.
Thank you. And here's your change. How long are you staying in Los Angeles?
Only 2 more days.
Well, enjoy your visit.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day. A quick stop at the cafe. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I have a small question. It's a bit urgent.
Okay, what is it?
May I please use your restroom?
I'm very sorry. The restroom is for customers only.
I understand. No problem.
Can I get you a coffee or a tea?
I'm thirsty. I'll just take a bottle of water.
Great. Would you like still or sparkling?
Still water, please.
We have cold ones in the fridge right there.
Perfect. I'll grab one.
Is that everything for you?
Yes. How much is it?
$250.
Here you go.
Thank you. The restroom is in the back, past the stairs.
Thank you so much. You're a lifesaver. All set. Thanks again.
No problem at all.
It's very busy in Miami today.
Yes, it's always busy in this neighborhood.
Well, thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye. At the doctor's office. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. Come in and sit down.
Thank you.
So, what seems to be the problem today?
I don't feel good. I feel very under the weather.
I see. Tell me more.
I have a bad cough and my throat is very sore.
How long has this been going on?
Since yesterday. Today I feel worse.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I think so. I feel very hot.
Your temperature is a little high. Let me listen to your breathing, okay?
Is it serious?
No, don't worry. You just have a bad cold, very common.
So, what should I do?
Get some rest, drink lots of water and hot tea.
I can do that.
I'll give you some medicine for the fever. You should feel better in 2 or 3 days.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
A coffee in Chicago.
Good morning. What can I get for you?
Good morning. I'd like a coffee, please.
Do you want a drip coffee, an espresso, or a latte?
Just a normal coffee, please. Black.
You want our drip coffee, no problem. What size?
Medium, please.
Do you want any room for milk or sugar?
No, thank you. Just black.
Okay, one medium black coffee. Will that be for here or to go?
To go, please. I'm walking a lot today.
Are you visiting Chicago?
Yes, it's my first day here.
Welcome. Where are you from? I'm from Spain. Oh, wonderful. We get many visitors.
Your city is beautiful, but it's very windy.
Haha, yes. That's our nickname, the Windy City.
I'm also a little cold. This coffee will hit the spot.
It sure will. Are you seeing the sights?
Yes, and I want to try deep dish pizza.
Oh, you must. It's the best.
Do you have a good recommendation?
Luz is 2 blocks away. It's famous.
Thank you. Great tip.
Here's your coffee. That'll be $3.50.
Here you go.
Thanks. Have a great day in Chicago.
You too. Goodbye.
A good deal in Seattle. Excuse me.
Hi there. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking at this sweater.
Oh, that's very popular. It's 100% cotton.
It feels nice. I love this blue color.
It looks great on you.
Thank you. I'm thinking about buying it, but I see the price is $60.
Yes, that's the price.
It's a little expensive for me. I understand. Is it on sale or is there a discount?
Let me scan the tag. Good news.
Oh,
This week, all sweaters are 20% off.
20% off. That's great.
New price is $48.
Much better. I'm a student, by the way.
If you have your student ID, you can get an extra 10% off.
Really, that's a sweet deal.
Yes, just show your ID at the register.
Perfect. I'll take it. Wonderful.
Happy to help. You can follow me to the front.